five tips. That five tips will really helpful for you to improve your communication skill. And if you really want to improve this language, and if you really want to achieve something in your life, and if you really want to become a good communication, then this video is for you. But why? Because in this video I want to share some tips that can helpful for you to improve your English, your pronunciation, your way of speaking. As you know, I started my English learning journey last December month, and in just 5 to 6 months I improved a lot. Okay, so that's why I follow this roadmap. I follow these 5 steps to improving my communication skill, and this video is really very helpful. And please continue this video, don't skip this video, and follow these 5 steps. So let's start with first step. The first step is making mistake. And now you tell me, why making mistake is the first tips? Why? Yes guys, making mistake is the first tips. And if you really improving day by day, don't focus on your mistakes. Mistakes are part of journey. And when you create mistake, and then you, if you aware of your mistakes, yes, I am doing this mistakes, and mistakes are my this, and you aware of your mistake, then you on the right track. Because you're making mistake are part of journey, and then you learn, you improve, then you make video, then you talk to with anyone, then slowly and gradually you improving your pronunciation, your speaking style, your communication skill. So start with this tip. No problem, you are making mistakes, just keep going continuously and follow your roadmap to improving this skill. The second tip is the 1% rule. The 1% rule is for you, because if you really improving your this skill, and if you really passionate to learn this language, then you improve 1% every day. No matter you are speaking, no matter you are learning, no matter you are listening, no matter you are reading, just rule number just a rule is say that 1% every day. Improve 1% every day, making video every day, try to make video in front of camera, and try to speak in front of mirror, anything. The rule number 3, speak slowly. Guys, initially days I speak very fast. Okay, I think that is one of my mistake, so that's why I can't learn in a good way. So speak slowly, and try to articulate your thoughts in a great way. And then you speak on a random topic, like your daily routine, like mobile phone, like any random topic like mountain. Then you speak slowly, at least 20, 30, 50 lines on each topic. Fourth tip, set a goal. Set a goal is a great improvement method, because when you set your goal, then your mind is ready to accept that, and then your mind is ready to continuously thinking about that goal, and then you are seriously to learn anything. I likewise now your goal is speak English fluently. So set a clear goal. I want to become fluent speaker, and then you speak every day. Then your mind is ready to improve this language, and your mind is ready to accept all the things like speaking, reading, listening, everything. Rule number 5, affirmation. Affirmation is a key to unlock anything, like money, like knowledge, like anything. If you if you want to achieve anything in your life, just affirmation, just do affirmation. Every day you speak with yourself, I am fluent, I am educated, I am good communication coach. Then you will definitely become a good English speaker. Then you will become a good communication coach. So affirmation is a fifth tip that can really helpful for you. So here I shared with you 5 tips, and I think that is really very helpful for you. So keep learning, keep growing every day, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.